how to fix Steam not opening on Windows. One of the reasons why Steam might not be open on your Windows might be because of the internet connection that you're probably facing. So make sure that your internet is working properly and is connected. And the next thing to check is whether your Windows is updated or not. So make sure that your Windows is updated. For that, go to Windows and click on Windows Update Settings. And after that, here you can see the updates are available for me. To make sure that you do have the updates available or your Windows is up to date. And the next thing to do is to go to Task Manager and all the processes for Steam, and click on End Task, and the tree is gone. And after this, go to Run command and paste the following command that we have put in the description that will help to clear the cache of Steam. So to go to Run command, click on Windows R, and after that, click on OK. And here you can see the Steam is asking me whether to continue or not. It's like that the local download cache will be deleted or clear. Click on OK. And after that, reopen this Steam again. And if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.